This has been a very interesting conference. We discussed whether CPEC is going to be the new East India Company. I talked a bit about the East India Company, which had a very interesting past, and eventually it started as a trading company, eventually ended up more or less ruling much of the Indian subcontinent. The parallels aren't really very precise. I suppose the question is, would CPEC, which is setting out as an economic venture, would that eventually turn into something else? That's the implication, I think, of the question. Well, the answer is we don't know. The point is, we do see that with these massive Chinese investments and loans, that many countries find that they are in a state of indebtedness, and in order to overcome the indebtedness, then they give very long leases on parts of their territory. That process we've seen elsewhere. CPEC, of course, does present particular problems, not least for the country with which I'm most familiar, which is India, because of course it runs through parts of Pakistan, which India would claim sovereignty over. And I'm thinking of the area of Gilgit-Baltistan, part of Kashmir, but also over parts of disputed territory in the Himalayas. So that in itself is a very difficult issue. So we have a lot of experts in the room on CPEC. It's been a great pleasure for me to contribute to the discussion this afternoon. Thank you.